A big hello to all my fellow homeopaths. I am Dr. Rosie Sethia from Kolkata. I have recently concluded my e-learning course from the Academy, and I am highly indebted to Professor Vitulkas for imparting his treasure trove of knowledge to me. Today I present in front of you a case of cellulitis of the lower leg, which was treated on the strategy of keynote prescription. As you can see in this picture, this is a case of extensive cellulitis and infected wound on the right lower leg from knee downward. On presentation, I observed that the leg was red and swollen to a great extent from the knee downwards. On touch, the area seemed warmer than the other leg. There was an infected wound near the ankle joint with very minimum discharge of pus, but considerable swelling. The black band just above the ankle actually is a tattoo, so do not confuse it with a discoloration. I touched the swollen leg and pressed it a little, only to find that there was no pain. I then moved on to the area near the ankle, which was an infected wound, and I pressed over there, but there was no change in the expression of the patient. On first look, what seemed to be an infected wound was actually completely painless. This symptom I found to be a little peculiar, and so I opened the chapter on stramonium to find this symptom. The prescription was stramonium 200 1 dose. After 2 days, the symptoms of the patient had changed completely. She was now in tremendous pain, and the entire affected area was also very highly burning. She could not tolerate the burning and she was very agitated, and the look and the swelling had also worsened. I reassessed the case according to the subjective and objective symptoms, and the next prescription was anthracinum 30, 2 doses every day for the coming 3 days. After 5 days, the condition of the patient had improved considerably, as visible in the picture. The color of the skin normalized and the swelling was almost gone. The site of the wound is also looking healthier. The pain had reduced to a great extent and the patient is now on the road to improvement. Thank you. Hope this helps. Signing off, Dr. Rosie Sethia, Kolkata.